Hi everyone, Mitsubishi Lancer sound system base comes without tweeters. So to upgrade it, you can purchase these tweeters from eBay. They cost only $2 and really they are great. So you should unpack your tweeters and you'll need only the tweeters and the double-sided tape. The base and the screws you can disregard them. As you see, I have a Mitsubishi Lancer 2013 SE. It comes with the base sound system. It doesn't have tweeters, but the good thing is that Mitsubishi Lancers come with pre-installed wiring for the tweeters. To remove where the tweeter goes, so the tweeter cover, it's really easy. Just pull it towards you from the top and pull it up. You see the pre-wiring for the tweeters. Here I already installed my tweeters. What I've done is that I took the pre-wiring and I simply connected the wires of the tweeters to them. The most important thing is to find tweeters that fit the empty space between the upper screw and the electric mirrors wiring, so the green wire. So these tweeters from eBay really are great. Just push the tweeter after you put the double-sided tape. Be sure, of course, to clean the surface before so that it will stick properly. And now, as you see, the tweeter is installed and you don't have to do any modifications to the tweeter casing or to the car. It just goes right into the spot. Now you reinstall the tweeter cover. It has 3 holes on the panel of the door. Just push it down gently in the holes and you should push it in. Now to push it in, be careful, there's a pin as you see here. The pin goes into the white hole. Just align it gently and push it in, and that's it. You have now tweeters installed and they really make a difference with the sound, believe me. For only $2, mind you. Now after you install this first tweeter, go and install the second one. It's as simple as that. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you enjoyed it, I would appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.